If you use multiple devices, like your phone and laptop, yeah, syncing Chrome can save you a lot of time. In this full guide, I'll show you how to sync Google Chrome across devices so your bookmarks, passwords, and settings stay updated everywhere. First, open Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, and go to Settings. Now, click Sign in to Chrome and log in with your Google account. This is what connects everything. Once you're signed in, Chrome will ask if you want to turn on sync. Just click, Yes, I'm in. You can sync everything. Or choose specific things like bookmarks, history, passwords, extensions, and settings. Now, go to your other devices, like your phone or tablet, and sign in with the same account. Turn on sync there too. You can check if sync is working by going into settings. It should show that everything is synced and up to date. Once it's set up, your bookmarks, saved passwords, and browsing history will appear across all your devices automatically. If needed, you can pause or turn off sync anytime from settings. You're always in control. And yeah, that's how you sync Chrome across devices. Set it up once, and everything just stays connected. Super simple and really useful.